Imagine a world without banks. No more long queues, no more waiting for approvals, and no more middlemen taking a cut of your money. You send money directly to anyone, anywhere. Instantly, with just a few taps on your smartphone, your funds are transferred. Transactions are secure and transparent. Every transaction is recorded and can be verified by anyone, ensuring trust and accountability. This is the promise of blockchain, a decentralized system that eliminates the need for a central authority. It's a revolutionary technology. Blockchain is changing how we think about trust and data. It's not just about money, it's about creating a new way to interact with digital information. It's like the internet, but for value. Just as the internet revolutionized communication, blockchain is set to revolutionize the way we exchange value. Blockchain is a digital ledger. It keeps a record of every transaction that has ever taken place in the network. It records transactions across a network of computers. Each computer or node in the network has a copy of the ledger. This ledger is not stored in one place. Instead, it's distributed. This means there is no single point of failure. Everyone on the network has a copy. This ensures that the data is always available and cannot be tampered with. This makes blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. It's a system where trust is built into the technology itself, paving the way for a new era of digital transactions. Think of a blockchain as a chain of blocks. Each block contains information much like a page in a ledger or a record in a database. This information could be about transactions, contracts, or anything of value. It can include details like timestamps, amounts, and parties involved. Once a block is added to the chain, it's there forever. This permanence is a key feature of blockchain technology. It cannot be altered or deleted. This immutability ensures that the data remains trustworthy and tamper-proof. Each block connects to the one before it, forming a continuous chain. This creates a chronological order where each block is linked to the previous one, creating a timeline of data. This order is maintained by complex mathematical algorithms. These algorithms solve intricate problems to validate and secure each block. These algorithms ensure the integrity of the blockchain. They make sure that once data is recorded, it cannot be changed without altering all subsequent blocks, which is nearly impossible. Blockchain uses cryptography. Cryptography is the science of secret codes. It secures the data on the blockchain. It ensures that only authorized users can access and modify information. This cryptographic security makes blockchain incredibly difficult to hack. To alter one block, you would need to alter every block after it. You would also need to do this on every computer in the network. This makes blockchain virtually tamper-proof. Section 4, Power to the People. The beauty of decentralization. Traditional systems rely on central authorities, think banks or governments. Blockchain eliminates the need for these intermediaries. It's decentralized. Everyone on the network has equal power. This decentralization has several advantages. It increases transparency. It makes the system more resilient to attacks. It also fosters trust among users. No single entity controls the blockchain. Section 5, Blockchain in action from Bitcoin to beyond. The most famous application of blockchain is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency. It operates on a blockchain. This allows for secure and anonymous transactions without banks, but blockchain's potential extends far beyond cryptocurrencies. It can revolutionize supply chains, it can secure medical records, it can even help us vote more securely. The possibilities are limitless. Section 6. The future is blockchain, a world of possibilities. Blockchain is still in its early stages, but its potential is already being recognized across various sectors. This technology, which underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is much more than just a digital ledger. Its potential is enormous, offering a decentralized and secure way to record transactions and manage data. Blockchain has the power to transform industries from finance to healthcare and beyond. It can empower individuals by giving them control over their own data and transactions. It can create a more transparent and equitable world, where trust is built into the system. Imagine a world where financial transactions are transparent and identity verification is seamless and secure. As we continue to explore its capabilities, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of blockchain technology. In healthcare, it can ensure the integrity of medical records. In supply chain management, it can track the journey of products from origin to consumer. This will change the way we live, work, and interact with each other in the years to come. The future is bright with blockchain, and the possibilities are truly endless. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, we are only beginning to understand the full scope of what blockchain can achieve.
Subscribe now for more updates on cryptocurrencies.